G'day folks, we're almost there, we're almost at the end. This is video number 8 from our series on introducing surds. This time we're looking at multiplying and dividing surds. And again, just a couple of notes that I've put up in case you just want to pause the video to take some time to write them down. The rules are pretty simple. Whenever we're multiplying or dividing, we multiply or divide coefficients, just in the normal way. So the numbers out the front just get multiplied together in the normal way. And then we multiply or divide parts inside the radical sign. Now the radical sign is just a funky way to say the square root sign. Remember, mathematicians love to come up with funky names for things, makes them sound really, really smart, and they just mean a simple idea usually, right? So we multiply or divide the numbers out the front, as usual, and we multiply or divide the parts inside the radical sign, as usual. Let's see that with these 3 simple examples. And remember, always simplify, always, always, always. Square numbers, square numbers, square numbers, square numbers. It's always ticking away, right? So let's look at the first one. Well, I can't simplify root 5. There's no square number that goes into 5. Can't simplify root 7. There's no square number that goes into 7. So I'm just going to multiply according to the instructions here. So the coefficients get multiplied. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. And then inside the radical sign, 5 multiplied by 7 is 35. Is there a square number that goes into 35? No, there's not. So that's it. That's question 1 done. Okay. Let's look at part 2. Well, again, I multiply or divide in the normal way. Coefficients get divided together, and then numbers under the radical get divided together. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. And then underneath the radical, 15 divided by 3 is 5. And I can't simplify root 5, so that's as far as I can go. That's that question done. Okay, let's look at part 3. So part 3, I multiply the numbers out the front as usual. 3 times 6 is 18. And then inside the radical, 10 times 2 is 20. Now, is there a square number that goes into 20? Yes, there is. 4 goes into 20. Okay, so that's 18 times the square root of 4 times 5. Breaking that up, that's 18. The square root of 4 is 2. So times 2 root 5. 18 times 2 is 36 root 5. And that's job done for that one. Okay guys, that's multiplying and dividing surds. We're almost there. The next one is rationalising the denominator, which I'll show. I've done a video on rationalising the denominator, but I'll do one as part of this series again, and then we'll put it all together, and that'll be where I link to those other 2 videos. Stay tuned. You're doing great. If you got this far, you're doing fantastically well. Okay, we're almost there.